Hello, hi everyone. This is a quick video on Python setup in your system. So let's don't waste any time. Get into your point. So go to Google, type Python downloads. So here you can see the link to download a Python, python.org. I'll provide this link in the description. So you can click that link. I'll get you to the link, and here in downloads all releases you can see all the releases of a Python. Whichever the release you are compatible with, you can just download it. I'm going with the latest release on Python, so I'll click download Python 10. Downloaded. So here you need to click add Python 3 to the path. So this is important to check this box. So if you didn't check this box, you need to do this manually. So you can either go to install now or choose customize installation. If you're okay with this path, you can just give install now. I'm gonna give it in my preferred location, so I'll give customized and I'll give next. Here I'm gonna provide my location. You can provide whichever the location you are okay with. I just created Python 310, so here I'll give OK and just install. Yes, my installation is successful. Now the Python is installed. So to check how whether the Python is installed correctly or not, you just go to the path where you installed. So in C Python 10 I installed. So go to this path, open cmd command prompt. To this location, you can just type Python. You can see here Python 3.10, which are the installed location, installed version. It's installed correctly. So let's just start our past program. Hey, that's it. It's created. Python is printing hello world. Happy coding. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.